Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Welcome to another 2-minute training from your favorite speech therapist. Today we're talking about breathing. So there's a big difference between respiration, which we usually think of as automatic, and breathing, which we can consciously control. Intentionally changing the cadence and mechanics of our breathing can give us the ability to impact our heart rate, blood pressure, stress response, even our brain state. If you're like most people though, you put the bulk of your effort into taking a big inhale and your exhale is merely an afterthought. But what if I told you that could potentially be causing you to overbreathe, almost like hyperventilating? You see, overbreathing doesn't allow for proper oxygen exchange in the bloodstream. So it makes you feel like you aren't getting enough oxygen, which then makes you breathe more. What you really should be doing is pausing after you exhale so that your carbon dioxide levels can rise and your body can actually use the oxygen you're trying to breathe in. So you may be asking, how did my breathing become so faulty in the first place? Well, there are a ton of things that can change the way you breathe, such as stress, illness, injury, and activity. And when a change happens, our body figures out an adaptive pattern to take oxygen in to keep you alive. And most of the time that ends up being the upper chest-oriented shallow breathing pattern. Unfortunately though, after the problem resolves and your breathing doesn't just return to its optimal, slow, deep pattern, you have to learn how to reset and restore it. So if you're looking for a way to start breathing better, try the pursed lip technique. Take a deep breath in through your nose for 2 to 3 counts, then exhale through pursed lips for 4 to 5 counts. Pause for about 3 seconds, then repeat. Do this 5 minutes, 5 times a day until it begins to feel natural. Then work on diaphragmatic breathing, and you can find more on that right up there. And that's a wrap. See you for the next training.